Hello everyone, welcome to Explore CSC Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about Python strings. So what is strings? In Python, strings are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Inside single quote, here we are seeing write hello, which is the same as inside the double quotation hello. To display a string, we have to use print function. You can use single or double quotes, but the output is same. Here we are seeing the example. Use print function. Inside the double quote, write hello. Inside the single quote, also write hello. But the output is same. So we are seeing this same example and run this on the Google Cloud. Create a new notebook. Use print function. Use single quote, write hello. Use print function. Inside the double quote, also write hello. If we run the cell, see we are seeing the output is the same. Now we are learn about how to assign a string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name with an equal sign and the string. Here is the example. We are taking a variable using equal to sign. Inside the double quote, we are writing hello. To print this, use print function and put the variable into it. Suppose we are taking a variable a using double quote, write hello. To print this, we use print function and simply put the variable. Let's run the cell. See, we are seeing the output. Let's talk about multi-line strings. Assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotes. Here is the example. We are taking a variable a using three quotes and simply print the variable. We are copying this code and run it on the Google Cloud. Run the cell. See, we are seeing the output is same. You can also use three single quotes and also use print function. You will see the output is the same. Here we are using copying the same code, paste it, and I'm changing the three quotes to three single quotes like this. If we run the cell, we are seeing the same output.